In this video, we are going to revise regulatory bodies. Hello friends, welcome to the Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin. Regulatory bodies. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, established in the year 1988. It is a non-statutory body formed in the year when it is formed. It was a non-statutory body. In the year 1992, it became statutory under Ministry of Finance role, regulates securities market, protects investors. Compositions: Chairman, 2 Finance Ministry, 1 RBI, 5 Union Government members. Functions: regulates markets, license brokers, protects investors, prevents fraud, promotes T+1 settlement, REITs, ENVITs, runs smarts for awareness, mandates ESG disclosures, BRSR. Challenges: regulatory gaps, OTC derivatives, cybersecurity, 2022 CDSL attack, fintechs, crypto regulations, low financial literacy, 27%. Way forward: strengthen governance, literacy, tech adoption. SAT, fears, appeals, civil court powers. PFRDA, Pensions Fund Regulatory Development Authority, established in the year 2013 under the Ministry of Finance, promotes pension funds, old age security. Compositions: Chairperson, 6 members, 3 full time. Functions: manages NPS API, runs pensions for all company, protects subscribers by pensions guarantee fund, introduce NPS Lite. Challenges: low penetration, less than 30%, technical glitches, 42% NPS account issues, competition from mutual funds. Way forward: expand products, leverage AI blockchain, boost awareness. IRDIA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, established 1999 under Ministry of Finance. Roles: regulates insurance, reinsurance. Compositions: Chairman, 5 full-time, 4 part-time members. Functions: protects policy holders, Saral Jeevan Bima, runs Bima Sugam for literacy. Licenses: ensures, promotes innovations, supports PM Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Challenges: low penetration, 4%. Mis-selling, claims delays, regulatory complexity. Way forward: enhances grievances redressal, adopt Insurtech. TRII, Telecom Regulatory and Authority of India, established in the year 1997 under Ministry of Communication. Role: regulates telecom, non-binding recommendations. Compositions: Chairperson, 2 full-time, 2 part-time members. Functions: caps tariff, 6 paise per minute, monitors QoS, MySpeed portal, enables MNP, regulates spam, support 5G TTTF. Challenges: 5G OTT regulations, spectrum scarcity, 40% of Europe, span 17 calls per day. Way forward: afford net neutrality, bridges digital divide, promotes Bharat 6G. FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, established 2006 under Ministry of Health. Role: sets up food standards, regulates safety. Compositions: Chairman, 22 members, 1 by 3 women. Functions: sets standards, waste non-waste dots, licenses by FOSUS, audits by mobile net, runs food safety connects, eat right movement, regulates import, FICS. Enforcement gaps, 10 million vendors, adulteration, 28% samples, low awareness, 20% no consumers loss. Way forward: promote literacy, upgrade labs, reduce trans fats. CCI, Competition Commission of India, established 2002 under Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Role: promotes competitions, prevents anti-competitive practices. Compositions: chairpersons, 2 to 6% members. Functions: fines, cartels. Example Indigo, Jet Airways. Regulates dominance. Google, 2000 crore fines. Merges Flipkart, Walmart. Runs Voice of Consumer Day. Challenges: resource shortage, 30% vacancies, digital economy complexities. Lengthy props. Google case 4 years. Enhances resources, adopt to digital market. Trade agreements, types of agreements. PTA, partial tariff cuts, postulates. Example India, Mercosur. FTA eliminates most barriers, negative list. Example India, Sri Lanka. EHS, pre-FTA tariff cuts. Example India, Thailand, 2003. CECA, SEPA, covers goods, services, investment. Example India, Korea. Customs Union, common external tariff. Example CSU, SSU. Common market, free factors movement. Example AU. Economic Union, harmonized policies. Example Eurozone. Political Union, shared government, reduced sovereignty. Trends in RTS: liberalization, EU single market, enlargement, EU 6 to 27 members. Overlapping RTS, spaghetti bowl. Global presence, MERCOSUR, SSU. Broad scope, use climate neutrality by 2050. Spaghetti bowl issues, trade divergence, EU Brazil FTAs, complex RRO. Spillover effects, RCEP. Pressures India. Criticism, undermines WTO's non-discrimination. Benefits of RTS: economic growth, India Malaysia 26%, trade rises. Political ties, EU stability. Market access, CRICOM. Policy reforms, India ASEAN, CECA. Bargaining powers, AU in WTOs. Challenges in RTS: trade divergence, NAFTA, complex ROOU. Economic dependence, Greece crisis. Negotiating fatigue, India EU BTIA since 2003. WTO and RTS. RTS deviate from MFN but need WTO approval. 2025 data, Europe 71, Asia 103, Africa 32 RTS. India's RTS. FTAs 13, Sri Lanka, SAFTA, ASEAN, Korea, Japan, UAE, Australia, etc. PTS 6, APTA, GSTP, MERCO, SUR, Chile, etc. Negotiations, India, UK, Canada, EU. Reviews, Singapore, Korea, ASEAN agreements. Regional, export diversification, raw material access, low cost policy. RO determines product origin for duties, trade starts. MRS recognizes qualification across countries.